question.
Yeah.
You have to tell me who do you like more, mama or papa?
And Mama, Papa, no.
फिर कौन अच्छा लगता है?
Mama.
That's the right answer. जब बाबा पूछेंगे ना कि who do you like more, so you have to
And
say
Papa.
नहीं, you have to say mama.
Mama.
And who's your best friend?
Jewish.
No, who's your best friend?
Hey, Mama.
Yes, that's the right answer. And
And me, I'm ready. I got it.
वापस रखो.